You've seen them. The screenshots. Made 11 grand this week. The payouts. The car. The I quit my job at 24. Here's the part nobody says out loud. You don't actually want to trade. You want out.
Out of the job you hate. The alarm. The boss. Trading just looks like the exit. So let's be honest about what that exit costs. To live off this, you need one of two things: a lot of capital or a funded account. And funded accounts still need capital and skill. A great 20–30% a year on a $2,000 account is a nice dinner, not freedom. Then there's the other guy. Just follow my system. Trust the process.
The same system you paid for. And look, I get it. That's fair. You can't give away years of work for free. I sell systems too. That is not the scam.
The scam is the fantasy they hang on it. Because here's what they don't show you. You can't backtest 20 years by hand. A backtest runs in 30 seconds. Real life runs one slow, painful candle at a time.
And you'll sit there for it. 8 hours, glued to a screen. You left a job to watch charts all day. You didn't get free, you just changed cages.
So here's what actually works. Don't trade it by hand. Automate it. There are profitable bots, and they let you run them on your own capital and on funded accounts.
But before you go hunting for the best EA in the world that prints money every day, stop. It doesn't exist.
Every bot, every strategy has losing weeks, losing months. That's not it breaking. That's it working. And when it bleeds, and it will, you'll think it's broken, switch it off, and buy the next one. That's the loop. The fix is the boring one nobody sells. Risk management. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Do it the way banks and institutions do it. A portfolio. Several strategies, tested over years, that work together. So when one bleeds, the others carry it, and the account survives. You can build that yourself. Start slow on demo, or use mine. Do It Multi-Strategy Pro. 8 tested bots as one portfolio.
1 per pair per time frame. 8 EAs in one, tested and working together as a single portfolio.
If that's something you'd want, I left the link in the description. Okay, system covered. But without capital, you still can't move. So here's the other edge of automating. A lot of prop firms, their model is broken. They don't want profitable traders, they make money when you fail the challenge. So if you're actually good, they push you out. That's a whole other video.
Where would I start? A stable, verified model, Axie Select. Start basically free and get used to bigger size slowly.
$500 in your own broker account, money you can pull out whenever, no challenge fees. A stable, verified model, Axie Select. A broker like the one you already use that runs an allocation account parallel to yours and scales it on your results. A way to start basically free and get used to managing bigger size, slowly. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description where I break down exactly how I'd use it myself.
Because that's the real goal. Trading isn't a job you run to. It's a system you build so it can survive the market, the bad months, and you.
Build that, and the payouts take care of themselves.
Maybe that's not what you wanted to hear, but remember it. And when you're ready, not to gamble, but to build, start the right way.